In this video, I will teach you how to play Sakura, a Japanese song about cherry blossom. This video is intended for beginner string students. Now I will play the song. At this point, I would look at the PDF that is attached to this video and understand the notes. I suggest you actually sing them or say them to yourself. That way you will comprehend them better and it will be easier when you play. So I'll go over this process myself with you right now. Since I know how it sounds, I will sing, but it's okay if you just say the notes. So you could say A, A, B. I'm going to sing it. I will help myself to make sure. Okay, now I'm going to go over the process of learning. So we are on A string, we know our notes, A, open A, and A, B, A, B. So I'll just play that, right? I'll try not to do vibrato, not to confuse, no vibrato, just straight, yeah? Now next part, A, B, C, B. Now this C is actually not the very beginner note. You usually learn with C sharp. We usually teach you the second finger here, but this one is here. So it's a C, natural C, not C sharp. So please note that. So you're putting your second finger close. For cellos, this is finally an opportunity to use your second finger. We usually skip it, right? We go twee as a 2 and 3, and here you will actually put your second finger. So A, B, C, B, A, B, A, F, on D. Now what's gonna on there? If you look at the music, you will see that I have a little squiggly line under B8 to 8 notes, and this squiggly line, this squiggly line is called slur, and that means that you put these notes, how many notes are under or over the slur, are going into one bow. So make sure that when we play this measure, A, B, C, B, A, B, A, F. So you go. If you have a difficulty, you can first just play separate bows and then get to it. You can add this later. You can go first and then go A, B, A, F. Now next part. On next part we have E, first finger E, C on G. So that note we might know or not. So if we don't know it, G, A, B, C. We are on G string, G, A, B, C, right? C. So E, C, E, F, E, C, B. Okay, so one more time. E, C. So this is my string D, and this is my string G. So I'm starting on D. E, C, E, So I suggest just address it. Play it until it sounds good. See what you need to do, because you have this. You have to go over the slur. There's also slur. Whether you do the slur or not, you still have to coordinate your hands. So play it until you feel that you sound good. Always make sure you are looking and feeling and paying attention to your physical presence. How do you feel? You shouldn't have no strain and you should be comfortable. That is the base of any good art creativity. Okay, and then after, so we played E, C, F, E, C, B. Next section is actually a repeat of measure 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So we go over this again. A, B, C, D, A, B, A, F, E, C, E, F, E, E, C, B. So that section repeats. You go again. A. And then at the end you finish with A, B. And the very end is E, F, B, A, F, E. And that is. By the way, I'm looking at the screen and I'm seeing my bow is kind of weird. I'm not sure I'm actually doing it, but the thing is I'm trying to make sure you can see, and that's why it's important to make sure that your bow is as straight as possible. So you don't want this and you don't want this, you want this. But the best indication whether you're doing it right or not is the sound. So if you feel that your sound is good, you're probably doing fine. So let me finish with playing last 4 measures for you, the ending. I would suggest to make the last long note very long. That way you recognize that you're finishing the song. I hope this was a helpful video. Thank you.